Hey everyone, my name is Deepak, and today I'll be telling you the step by step process of how you can create any famous ad of any brand. So, today, what I've done, I've created a guide. So, what I've done, I will be creating the ad of Captain Ching Rises. The original ad featured Ranveer Singh, so I'll be recreating using Sora 2. So what I've done, I have already created the prompt. What I'll do, I'll just copy this whole timeline prompt in the end. I'll just copy it and I will go to Sora 2 and I will just paste the prompt and I will keep the settings as it is, orientation portrait and duration 15 seconds, and then simply hit on generate. Now I will show you the original ad. How the original ad. Yes. See this. This is the original ad.
मैडम
I'll
एक्स,
show it to
एक
you.
ध्रुव तारा गैलेक्सी से टूटकर हमारी ओर तेजी से बढ़ रहा है। ऐसे वक्त में हमारी कौन मदद करे?
वही जो सारे सुपर हीरोज का बाप है। कैप्टन चिंग, दुनिया को तुम्हारी जरूरत है।
मैं आपके और देसी चाइनीज के लिए कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ। चिंग्स शेजवान चटनी।
This is the original ad.
चिंग्स शेजवान चटनी। ये चटनी नहीं, रॉकेट है, रॉकेट।
मैडम एक्स, एक ध्रुव तारा
So this is the ad I will be recreating using Sora 2. So it will take some 2 to 3 minutes of time. So by that time, what I will do, I will go to Gemini and I will show you how I generated that prompt. By that the time the ads get generated, I will show you to how did I generated the prompt using Google Gemini. I will just download the video over here. I'll download it. I took this video from uh, YouTube and I will just show you, and I will just copy this prompt. 1 minute. I will show it to you how I generated this prompt. I'll show it to you. I have the prompt here with me. I'll paste the prompt and simply hit on generate. Now it will analyze the. This is the Gemini 3 model I'm using. It is, and I have also enabled the thinking model 3 Pro. Now it will analyze the ad and give us a Sora 2 timeline prompt or a timestamp prompt. It is the one and the same thing. Now it will give us a ad prompt. It is thinking. It has taken the director's hat and it is thinking a lot. See, it has generated the prompt. See, it is writing a very lengthy prompt. ChatGPT is also good, but it was not giving me the correct prompt that what I desired, what I wanted. Now this has given us the prompt. It is still, see what a wonderful prompt it is writing for us. See, it has generated the prompt for us, and I will just download it and go to Sora 2. It is still downloading. No worries. I'll just change the settings to 10 seconds. Okay, the it is default, so I cannot change the setting. So you got the idea. What you have to do first, copy this prompt which I gave you. Copy this prompt, upload the video, and simply copy this prompt, upload the video, and whatever output you get, you just take the prompt to Sora 2 and simply hit on generate and see the settings. Still generating. So by that time, what I'll do, show you this website where you can remove the watermark of the videos. This is a completely new a platform for removing the watermark for Sora 2. Many people were asking how we should remove the watermark of Sora 2 if they want to use on their ads on or that. What you have to do, you have to first download. I will just copy the link of this video. I'll copy the link of this video. I've copied it. I've copied the link of the video and I will just click on download. That will take just some time for the video to get downloaded. Then you have to check the security check. It is loading. It takes some time. You have to verify it here. As you are a human, it is their policy and it is a procedure. You have to click on here. Now it is verifying that I am a human. Now it will processing. It is processing. Now see, it will take a good amount of time. It will take 2 minutes. So now we'll see whether the video has been generated or not. Video is still getting generated. We'll wait. We'll see whether the video has been generated or not. Sora takes time for the video to get generated, so we'll wait. We'll see. Okay, the video has been generated. I think, yeah, video has been generated. I'll show it to you. See, see. What a wonderful video it has generated of me. I'll show it to you. I have downloaded the video. I'll show it to you.
Coming asteroid,
See,
60 seconds to impact. We need Captain Ching.
If he doesn't wake up, we're finished. Identity confirmed. Rocket head, rocket.
see what a wonderful video it has generated. Now let's see. And yes, this video has been also been generated. Now the best feature of this website is that you get the prompt as well. What prompt did you give this to this video? You get the prompt as well, and you have to select. You have to click on this main server. I have clicked on it, and it has been downloaded. So this is the website, savesora.com. You have to come on this, and I will show you to the watermark has been removed or not. We'll see.
In
See,
every
the
moment of
watermark has
care,
been removed from
in
the video.
every choice for health, where
That's it from my side, and thank you for listening to me.